2023 BMW 7 Series. Starting at $94,295. Overview. An entirely new generation of the 7 Series, long BMW's flagship sedan and the brand's most luxurious and advanced product, has debuted for the 2023 model year. The formula doesn't change much from the current cars. Powertrains include a turbocharged inline-6 and a twin-turbo V8, with a plug-in hybrid joining the lineup later. We've driven a thoroughly camouflaged prototype, and found that the 7 Series veritably floats down the road. Its handling is a little more light than the 2022 cars thanks to some changes to the chassis and suspension, including a new rear-wheel steering system. Its driver assistance tech provides a semi-autonomous driving mode for highway slogs, but the car's show-stopping feature is an optional 31.3-inch rear entertainment display called Theater Screen that drops from the ceiling and streams TV and movies using the onboard Wi-Fi system. What's new for 2023? The 7 Series has been completely redesigned for the 2023 model year and offers an even plusher cabin, more futuristic technology, and bolder exterior styling. Production is slated to begin this summer with deliveries starting in November 2022. Pricing and which one to buy. 740i. $94,295. 760iX Drive. $114,595. The 740i will run BMW's sweetly silken inline-6 and is offered only with rear-wheel drive. We expect most buyers will find this version more than suitable, but for those wanting all-wheel drive or extra horsepower, there's the 760iX Drive, which comes with a twin-turbo V8. If you plan to be chauffeured in your new 7 Series, we'd recommend both the Executive Lounge package, power-adjustable reclining rear seats with massage, among other luxuries, and the cool 31.3-inch theater screen rear seat entertainment system which can stream content via the car's onboard Wi-Fi hotspot. An all-electric variant called i7 will be based on the same body shell. We review that model separately. Engine, transmission, and performance. A 375 HP turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-6 is standard. Models with this engine are designated 740i and is assisted by a 48-volt hybrid system. Rear-wheel drive is the only setup available on this model. BMW estimates that the 740i will run to 60 miles per hour in just 5.0 seconds. The 760iX Drive is powered by a 536 HP twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 and comes standard with all-wheel drive. This engine also uses a 48-volt hybrid system, and BMW claims it will rip to 60 miles per hour in 4.2 seconds. We were able to sample the 8-cylinder prototype model during a brief test drive event in Germany and noted its silky operation as well as powerful acceleration. The new car comes standard with an air suspension, and BMW has incorporated a rear-wheel steering system and adaptive dampers into the chassis as well. As a result, the new car feels more agile than the outgoing model but remains more focused on comfort than athleticism. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. Fuel economy estimates for the 2023 7 Series lineup have not been published, but we expect small improvements over the outgoing model thanks to the electrical assist and subtle changes to the gas-fired engines. When we get a chance to test the 7 Series for ourselves, we'll take it on our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy test route and report its results here. For more information about the 7 Series S fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. As the pinnacle of the BMW lineup, the 7 Series brings a cornucopia of luxuries to its occupants. Rich-smelling leathers, stainless steel accents, and fancy glass and wood trim elements give the 7 Series S interior a posh vibe. Buyers can even choose a new cashmere upholstery option, should it suit their personal aesthetic. The deluxe interior now has the technology, style, and opulence to better challenge the Mercedes-Benz S-Class. Passenger space is generous in both the front and rear, but the 7 Series impresses most when equipped with the Executive Lounge package, which adds power-adjustable reclining rear seats with massage, a wireless smartphone charging pad for the rear seat area, and adjustable neck cushions on the headrests. The trunk is about as large as you'd expect for a full-size luxury car, and a rear seat pass-through offers the ability to haul longer items like skis. Infotainment and connectivity. The 7 Series uses the same dashboard layout as the 9 SUV, which has a large digital gauge display mounted under the same glass panel as the infotainment touchscreen. The reconfigurable displays offer crisp resolution and snappy response. A rear seat entertainment system that BMW calls theater screen is optional. It utilizes a huge 31.3-inch display that deploys from the ceiling of the car. Using an onboard 5G cellular data connection, rear seat riders can stream Netflix or browse the web, interacting with the system via touchscreen displays integrated into the door panels. Safety and driver assistance features. A host of updated driver assistance features are available, including a new hands-free driving mode for use on the highway and an updated parking assistant feature which allows the driver to exit the vehicle and park the car via a smartphone app. For more information about the 7 Series' crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. Key safety features are expected to include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, available adaptive cruise control with a semi-autonomous driving mode, warranty and maintenance coverage. A 3-year or 36,000-mile complimentary scheduled maintenance plan included on every 7 Series is a perk rivals from Audi and Mercedes-Benz don't offer. Both the Volvo S90 and the Genesis G90 match BMW's complimentary maintenance plan, but the G90 comes with longer warranty terms. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Complimentary maintenance is covered for 3 years or 36,000 miles.